morning. Thank you for coming. Yeah, it's our honor today to have you together with us. So I would like to welcome you today to our grand opening event.
Malaysia itself as an automation market as well is quite attractive compared to some other higher cost countries in the region. So this is our business model.
What I have learned the last 1.5 years coming to Asia really impressed me. Ellen and team, thank you very much for everything what you're doing for KUKA and of everything what you're doing here. Thank you.
I'm very honored and happy to be here as a representative of the shareholder Media Group. We are fully committed to KUKA development in the Asia-Pacific region.
We would like to do the unveiling of 25th years anniversary for KUKA Malaysia. Let's give a round of applause. We're welcoming Yang Berhormat Puan Yobin, Member Parliament of Puchong. KUKA Malaysia! Officially opened our very first application center in KUKA Malaysia.
Hey, what is KUKA all about? As a robotics company, we excel in many robotics arms and also robotics application. You can see there are various robots here. We have Skara, we have Delta, we have Cobot, we have an industrial robot, we have an AMR.
The Scala robot can use for palletizing, material handling, packaging, and also the EUE battery assembly.
Cobot are used in many industries, such as manufacturing, electronics, automotive, warehousing, and also logistics.
We are going to introduce our mobile platform, KMP. We can carry up to the maximum 600 kg.
Delta robot can actually perform in a very high speed task, as this is very important to do your pick and place operation from day to day.
This is the current best-selling robot what we have. It is in the 6th generation. So the Quantec what we see over here running very good in the car industry.
So what you can see behind here is actually a welding solution by KUKA Robotics, incorporating additional elements of metal or laser technology.
KUKA training program are designed to equip participants with essential skill in robot programming and system maintenance.
Thank you for coming to our event today. We are really appreciate it. We like to appreciate the media and press for coming as well. Thank you for coming. Yeah, it's our honor today to have you together with us.
We cannot do this alone. We appreciate this partnership with you. And I do expect me and my team to be out there together with you and your team. The more we sit together and the more business we can make together. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Industrial intelligence.